Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we have another unboxing of a smaller bike. Alright, so let's see how the bike packed. The box is actually not as big. It's 16-inch bike. They come with the seat, of course, right here. Let's see the seat first. Okay, so the seat looks like more sporty. Actually, it's very soft. I think it's wow. It looks really good. The seat looks good so far. Okay, it's actually pretty light. I'm just gonna pull out. Actually, the bike came pretty nice packed. It came small box. I'm not sure what is inside, and it has a fender I need to attach, but it does have pedals already attached, which is foldable. And should be very easy. It's basically fully assembled. Very easy to put the bike together, I guess, because it's already fully assembled. So you just bring this handlebar up and it's already assembled. I think it's one of the quickest assembly video maybe. And over here, this latch actually kind of really looking cool. You just close this and the bike is assembled. So I would just need to insert this seat and that's it. And look how tall the seat can go up. I think this bike actually looks very familiar to Jupiter, I think. Oh my god, it's already assembled and it's very tall. I'll go even low, most likely like this. Look, already ready to ride, but I'm gonna reposition handlebar. Over here is a latch, but so far it looks really cool and it's actually very light. I think it's I'm gonna weigh the bike as well, okay? And one more thing you would need to do to attach the fenders, and you would need screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, to remove one of the bolt over here. Okay, and then you will attach rear fender and the front fender if you need one. And that's how it looks, very small. And you can just attach the seat. And it's ready to ride. Actually, it's really cool for taller people because the seat can go all the way up easily. It's my first ride on this bike. I'll try to do a speed test right now and see how it will go. A throttle only. So it's going about 16 miles an hour on GPS. So 20 on the speed on the display, and it says 15 on GPS, which is about 18 miles an hour. So it was about 15, but it was 15 on GPS, so it means about 18 miles an hour. And I'm gonna change some speed over here. I'll put like 25 and see if it'll go faster. So another speed test. I mid 25 on display, see how fast it will go so it might just change miles on display. So it's going 26 on display, so basically just fake numbers, and it's still 15 miles. And always keep both hands on this type of bicycle, they are not very stable. So it can go 15 to 16 miles now on GPS, so it means about 18. Yep, it's about at least 18 to 90 miles an hour. So it's much faster than Jetson Ball Pro, about the same speed as Hayes. Continuous. Feels like I need more power over here, but yeah, it's continuously 50 miles. With me on top, 215 pounds. So you need to press these two buttons, plus and minus, and you're going to programming. You can change miles to kilometers on P1 by going plus or minus. Then next one is mileage. So I'll put it back to 18 miles or 16 miles because all it does just give me fake numbers, which the speed's still the same. Put 17, I guess. I know, I'll put 16. And then you just press P and it'll just go to regular. Then I'll put a top to the, it might go even faster if I fully charge. I might do another speed test later. And right now I'll just go for a ride and ride with the pedals to see how it feels. With pedals, you kick, oh wow, it's easily going to 15 on GPS. So I'll go with my GPS mostly because it's more accurate for me. 15 miles. Oh, on the display it says 17, so yeah, it's about 18 to 90 miles actually, even 16. And you can actually pedal it easily to 20 miles an hour, looks like, because I don't feel any ghost pedaling. And it's good, I'm 5'11", and the seats can go even higher, and it's still comfortable to ride. You ride it. And there's some suspension on the back, you can feel it a little bit, so it gives you a little bit softer ride. So first speed will take you about let's see, yeah, the first speed will take you about 8 miles an hour. And the good about this bicycle is that you don't get ghost pedaling, like some bicycle you're going too fast, like, and you get no pedaling. Over here very comfortable to pedal actually. I can even go bring the seat up if I want to. And level 2 will take you about 13 miles. And level 3, 17. Or even faster if I want to. You can pedal up to like 20 miles and still there's more to go. 20. So I think you can easily get about 21 miles with good pedaling, and there's still no ghost pedaling, so it's pretty good. You still get some exercise. Since it comes with dual brakes, disc brakes, and the disc actually wide is thicker than most of the brakes I have on even the bigger bicycle. And I'll do the test how fast it will brake right now. 1, 2, 3, brake. So the brakes are really good, no squeaking at all. So the brakes are good on this bicycle. Wow, I almost lift my front wheel. Yeah. Oh, almost did wheelie. And it's only 43 pounds, so I think it's a really good deal, and lightweight for people who need to bring their bicycle up or carry. I think it's great kind of bicycle. A little bit hill test. It's going up to the hill, I think 15%, actually pretty quick. Alright, so I did a speed test a little bit on the beach. It's going about 18 to 19 miles an hour based on my GPS, and on display it was about 16, I think, like maximum. It comes with some suspension which give you a little bit softer ride. 16-inch wheels makes it a little bit more comfortable to ride than 14-inch or 12-inch bike. And I think it's pretty cool bicycle, and it's fully foldable, compact. Comes with the dual brakes, and not only dual brakes, just mechanical brakes. It has really thick disc. I'm not sure, but it looks really cool. 160 millimeters disc, dual foldable pedals, which is easy to fold. It's great when you put in a trunk, so it will get less space. One speed gear, but you got 3 pedal assist over here, which makes it cooler to ride. You can start with one and you will feel the difference versus to other bikes. This is not compare video, it's not review video, it's only just my first impression. It feels very solid bike actually. It comes with 250 watt motor, and the battery is 36 watt by 5.2 amp, which is 187 watt power. It's not a removable battery, it's built in inside over here. It's easy to reach, but you cannot remove it. It's very solid, latches everywhere here, handlebar, foldable, and I like about the light, it moves with your wheel, with your handlebar. So when you turn left or right, your light will brighten up your way, so it's good. And it does have a horn, which is also great. And I'll do another compare video mostly to other bicycles similar, like just some Ball Pro, maybe Haze. So please subscribe, comment below what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.